Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to focus on teaching you how to create a JPEG from Cricut Design Space. Now, if you know how Cricut Design Space works, they have a lot of kinks and you're not able to take any SVGs or any JPEGs from things that you've made. So here's an example. So I made this within Cricut Design Space. And let's say, I want to go upload it somewhere else, or I want to go um, upload it onto like Silhouette or whatever. Cricut made it so it's not compatible with that program. However, there are ways around it where you can make things work. So basically, I'm going to show you today how to save a JPEG from Cricut Design Space. So first, you're going to want to open your project and the image that you want to save, and you're going to make it as big as you possibly can, where it still fits in the screen. And this is just going to make sure that the resolution is clear. If your image was this small and you tried saving it this small, your resolution would be ridiculous and you probably wouldn't be able to use it. So I'm just going to want to make this as big as I possibly can. And you're going to want to use either the snipping tool or a screenshot, I guess depending on if you have a Windows or Mac or whatever. On my Mac, it's Command-Shift-4. Like I said, that may be different on a Windows. And you want to line up your cursor. You can see it's right here. Make sure you're not too far over. I don't want to go over this. So make sure you leave enough room. And go ahead and let that go. You want to highlight the area you want. Go ahead and let that go. Perfect. And then from there, so that is going to make or save your image with that white background. And you're going to want to remove that background. So you're going to want to find a background remover. I always use the remove.bg just because it's easy and it's awesome. So you're going to want to find that image that you just saved onto your computer with that screenshot. And my screenshots are always saved on my desktop. There it is. So go ahead and open that. And it's going to take a little bit to upload. And there we go. So this made it completely transparent, which is awesome. No white background. It totally removed the background. And go ahead and click download. And there you have it. There is your new image. And you can put that anywhere you want and not have to worry about using it specifically on Cricut Design Space. So that is my tip of the day. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.